everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. You're getting more Disney. I'm just having so much fun scrapbooking this trip, and in this case, another pre-trip layout. So I have this XO paper, and I have had this forever. It's, I believe, a Cricut paper that came in some sort of package that I won, and I love this paper, but I've never been able to use it until now. And sometimes when you keep things around for a while, that's a good thing. So what I did is I backed that paper with a black and white polka dot from the Paper Studio. It's the Hobby Lobby brand. It's the tiny polka dot white on black here. And I like how the pink works there. And then sort of what it inspired me then is I found that, and I don't remember whether it was the paper first or the cute ears puffy stickers, but one of those two things inspired me to use the other with these photos. So those puffy letters are from Ellie Studio Magical Memories Puffy Word Stickers. And they're just so cute. And the ears are cute. So, and that's kind of, I mean, these are the t-shirt and sweatshirt that I bought to go to Paris Disneyland. And not spoiling this too much, but nobody but my daughter-in-law and my friend that I was with ever saw these because it was cold and they were under my jacket, but I still felt good wearing them. And I do wear them now. I'm wearing them at home. I've worn them a couple of times. Actually, as I'm videoing this, I have a Disney sweatshirt on right now, actually. And those all came off of Etsy, by the way. So then I'm adding in some die cuts. It's more Ellie Studio here. That came from the Magical Memories die cuts. So that's kind of their Disney inspired collection. And I may have two of these. I bought these for our trip in November of 2022, which you definitely know by now because I've talked about it, that I still haven't printed those pictures, but now I'm busy scrapping this trip. And we do have photo books. My daughter-in-law for Christmas that year made us Shutterfly photo books. So we all have the pictures. It's just that I do want to craft an album of memories someday. Hopefully, if not this year, next year, after I have this trip done. So I think I was looking at the date there because, I like to forget that. Thank goodness for Google Photos because I can just go into my folder for the year and look it up to know, look the photo up and know what the date was. But anyway. So I have a little ticket there. And then I'm using these, that black and white star and the black and white. I mean, that irresistible banner is an arrow banner is so cute. How could I not use that on this layout? I laugh at myself sometimes, obviously. And that I think is the fun of scrapbooking these Disneyland photos, why you're seeing so many, is just because the products are cute and, it's such fun memories. Nothing wrong with being a kid again. All right, so I want to bring some more pink back into this. So I have that little Love Puffy sticker, which is from the Ellie Studio Magical Memories Puffy stickers. And that's from 2022. I don't think that collection is available anymore. So I bought that before we went for the big trip. And then I have that little pink asterisk there because I want to add more pink. If I have that pink puffy on that left cluster, I want to add some more somewhere else. And I'm thinking, like, right now I have 2 spots of embellishment, but I'm toying with that title is sort of an embellishment spot as well. So I'm kind of, as I'm working with the next thing I'm going to do, I'm thinking about that. So these Mickey heads came from Scraps and Ink on Etsy. They're so cute. And I have them in colors and in this black, or these gold and rhinestones and black. Really fun. Their products are cute. And they have lots of little Disney embellishments. So if you need Disney embellishments, just go to Etsy. And I like supporting, the idea that I'm supporting a small business is really nice. Okay, so adding that in. And then I'm thinking about adding that other asterisk up there or down there. And I'm not liking liking it as much. Still playing around with that. Those Mickey heads need some glue dots, so that's what I'm doing now, is adding glue dots to them. And instead of putting twine through that, I just decided to use the Mickey head. I will do that sometimes, cover it with an enamel dot or some sort of embellishment. So adding that one in. A little bit of sparkle to my ear page. So those birthday years got me a skip the line on the coaster that was the hardest to get on. And I think, I'm trying to think if you will see that. I think you do see that layout. So what I decided to do is I decided to put a Mickey ear with the cute ears there. So there's my third embellishment cluster. Right there. And then I added the asterisk from the top, that extra one, to that same cluster. So there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.